Okay, here is this fountain. I just love it. I don't have the filter in here, but I do keep the filter holder just because it makes the top fit on better. Water goes down in here. Oops, there's my finger. Water goes down in here, comes back out here. Here's the light. Has a push button. Turn it off. And it has an impeller down there instead of a pump. So this lifts off the base, just totally lifts, and then you can clean the whole thing. You don't have to use the filters if you change the water frequently. Has markings on the side. And this all, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 pieces up here, and then the impeller is inside. But this really comes apart easy to clean. That's the best part of it. So I don't have to use the filters because I just clean it once or twice a week. Because the cats drink so much water anyway, I just like to keep the water fresh because I have 3 cats. I really love this thing. Here it is from all sides. As you can see, it's very quiet.
So I've had this for a few days. Just gonna lean in so you can hear the sound. It is low on water, so I believe that's part of it. And as you can see, the cats were playing around and there's some hairs caught up in here, but it does get filtered through here before it gets to the actual tank. There is also options to turn the light on and to turn it off. But overall, cats love it. I love it. And it just feels, let's see if I can lift this for you. It's just super sanitary and clean in there. And as you can see, all the hairs are getting caught in that filter. So honestly, 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10.